This video is an introduction to eServices. eServices is a website that you will use frequently as a student at St. Cloud Technical and Community College. In this video, you will learn how to access eServices and what information you can find using eServices. Select Quick Links at the top right of the page and then select eServices. Here is the eServices login page. You need your Star ID and password. If you have not created a Star ID account, please watch the how-to video for setting up your Star ID. If you know your Star ID but have forgotten your password, select Need Login Help. Your Star ID is the 2 letters, 4 numbers, 2 letters ID. Before logging in, select Display Name box, then click Login. You will start on your eServices dashboard. This page lists any classes you are on the waitlist for, any action items you need to complete such as paying your bills, your class schedule for the current term, financial aid information, and lists any other MnSCU institutions you've applied to or have attended. On the left-hand side of the page is the Student Services menu. These help you navigate through eServices. We will look at a few of them briefly. There will be other videos to help you explore the sections further. First, we will look at the Account Management page. This page is where you can update your address, personal, and demographic information. Next, we will move to the Course and Registration page. You will utilize this page frequently. From here, you can find and register for courses, view and modify your schedule, check your registration holds, view your registration window, enter your registration access code, and view your registration log and course card. There is how-to videos with more in-depth steps to register for classes. Please consult with an advisor beforehand. Let's move to the Grades and Transcripts page. Here is where you can check your grades and view your academic record, as well as access your Degree Audit Report or DARS through the U Achieve program website. There is another how-to video on accessing and reading your DARS. An important section for you to know about is the Financial Aid page. This is where you will access information regarding your financial aid. You can view financial aid status and your award letter. You may also set up direct deposit and view information about your loans. Now we're going to move to the Bills and Payment page. Make sure you are regularly checking this section of eServices. Here is where you will find your full account details, which will let you know if you are in danger of having classes dropped for non-payment. This is also where you can make a payment and/or manage your payment plan. On eServices, there's also a section for student workers. If you are employed as a student worker at the college at any time, you can find your pay stubs, direct deposit, and W-2 form here. Lastly, you will see links to other SCTCC webpages, such as the homepage, the bookstore, programs and majors, and AccuPlacer placement information. This is all for your introduction to eServices. Feel free to browse around the webpage or move on to the next how-to videos. Please, if you have any questions, contact the Academic Advising Office.